Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Techie, and for years we've seen running shoes evolve. Carbon plates, insane foam stacks, knit uppers, the innovation has been relentless. But what if the next big leap wasn't about what a shoe is made of, but how it's built? Today, we're talking about LightSpray. This isn't just another shoe, it's a revolutionary concept that could fundamentally change how we buy, fit, and even design our running shoes. Is this actually the future of running shoes? I think it just might be. So, what exactly is LightSpray? Imagine getting a precise 3D scan of your foot, not just length and width, but every curve, every pressure point. Now, imagine a machine that takes that data and layer by microscopic layer sprays a custom-fit shoe directly onto your foot or onto a mold using advanced responsive materials. This isn't 3D printing as we know it today. This is a multi-material, on-demand manufacturing process that allows for unprecedented customization. Different densities, different flex points, different levels of support, all precisely tailored to your biomechanics, your running style, and your unique foot shape. This means no more breaking in shoes, no more compromise between comfort and performance. It's engineered for perfection, specifically for you. Anyone who runs seriously knows the struggle. We spend hours researching, trying on countless pairs, hoping to find that perfect fit. But even the best mass-produced shoe is still a compromise. It's designed for an average foot, which almost none of us actually have. LightSpray addresses fundamental problems. The fit problem eliminates guesswork, giving you a truly bespoke fit. The performance problem optimizes cushioning and support exactly where you need it, potentially reducing injury risk and improving efficiency. The sustainability problem reduces waste from mass production and allows for on-demand manufacturing closer to the consumer. Imagine getting a scan in a specialized running store here in Istanbul, and within hours, walking out with a shoe perfectly crafted just for you. This isn't just about comfort, it's about unlocking new levels of performance and protection. Personalized cushioning. Imagine a heel strike getting denser foam, while the midfoot gets a springier, energy-returning material, all in the same shoe, customized for your gait. Targeted support. No more bulky stability posts if you only need support in a tiny area. LightSpray can apply microscopic reinforcements precisely where your foot needs them. Adaptive materials. The technology could even allow for materials that adapt over time, slightly altering their properties as your running form changes or as the shoe wears, extending its effective lifespan. This moves beyond just a shoe to a truly integrated piece of performance equipment. Of course, a revolution like LightSpray doesn't come without challenges. Material science. Developing sprayable materials that have the diverse properties of current foams and rubbers is a huge undertaking. Manufacturing scale. Scaling this hyper-personalized process for mass adoption while keeping costs down is complex. Accessibility. How do you make this technology available to every runner, not just elite athletes or early adopters? We're probably looking at a few more years of R&D before we see LightSpray become commonplace, but the potential is so massive that major brands are heavily investing in this kind of personalized manufacturing. It's not a question of if, but when. LightSpray represents a paradigm shift. It's the ultimate expression of personalized performance, sustainability, and intelligent manufacturing in footwear. For tech-savvy runners, this isn't just a new gadget, it's a completely new philosophy for how we interact with our gear. I believe this is absolutely the future of running shoes. The question isn't if, but how quickly we get there. What do you think? Would you trust a machine to spray on your next running shoes? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more cutting-edge tech deep dives, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.